Does it seem like when your client wants to do squats, somehow their feet migrate out and their knees migrate in? Well, let's do a quick little trick to help with that. Grab a very small towel roll and a band hooked to something to add resistance. What you're going to do is place the band around your knee so it brings your knee in so that you can press out against it. So that's going to give that resistance for that person who wants to cave in. It's going to give them that sense of, okay, I have to push out against something, and it's going to get a little bit more glutes on board. Then take your towel roll and place it right underneath your arch, right behind your big toe. So you're going to press in, spread your toes out, and then press into that towel roll. So you're creating pronation through your foot. That's going to help keep that foot straight, and it's going to help put more work into the hip. So as you're pressing into that towel roll, press out against the band and then do your squat and see how that feels. And you might be surprised with how much it wakes up those glutes and how much more you get that glute max involved.